Let us see what treasures we can find to spruce up the porch today. I am so excited to see all the old things we hid away in here. Look at these old wooden boards. They could be turned into a lovely planter stand. Oh yes, and we can paint the old clay pots with those leftover colours in the corner. Grandma, we are going to repurpose these old items for the front porch. That sounds like a wonderful way to give these old things a new life. Be careful with those, Una. They are quite fragile. I have got a firm grip on them. I will put them by the wooden table. Look, Una, these boards are perfect for building a planter stand. That is a fantastic idea. We can assemble them right here. If we cut it to this length, it will fit perfectly by the front porch. Yes, that will leave plenty of space for the flowers to bloom in the sun. Una, help me place these planks on the porch steps, please. Coming! I have finished cleaning all the pots, but let me grab the other side. It is fresh peppermint from the garden. Please take a moment to rest. Thank you, Grandma. This tea smells wonderful in the afternoon sun. I really love how these old pots look now, Una.
Me too. They look so much happier with new flowers in them. Put that one in the corner. It will catch the late sun.
Like this? It looks perfect right there against the wood. This one needs just a little more light to grow well. I will help you move the stand slightly to the left then. Don't forget to give them a little water before the sun sets. I am doing it right now. They look so thirsty. The porch looks so much warmer with all these flowers now. It makes the whole house feel alive again. Thank you, my dears.
We should put these away before the evening chill sets in. I will help you take everything back to the shed. It has been a lovely day. We did such a great job together today. I really love spending time with you like this, sister.
That is it. Everything is tidy and ready for tomorrow.
Good night to the little shed. We will see you again soon.
It looks so lovely in the twilight, don't you think? It is the best thing we have done all season. I love it.
Come inside now. It is getting quite cold outside. I am coming. I just want to take one last look before we go.
rest well. The porch will look even better tomorrow morning.
Good night, flowers. I hope you sleep well tonight.